Hello everyone, we are from South Sundarabai Manik Artsur Polytechnic for second year civil department. Today we are performing building construction practical number 4th and 5th, setting out foundation plan for frame structure. Sources required: steel tape, line dori, lime powder. Procedure: prepare from foundation plan. This is our foundation plan. We select the reference point. From the reference point of compound wall, draw the center line of plan. Draw other center line of the plan by Pythagoras method. Draw center line of the plan. The center line of column C1, C2, C3, C4, C5 and C6.
Marking the dimensions of column by 300 by 300 mm, which is we have divided it into of center of 150 mm by right side and 150 mm by left side. And after that, marking the size of footing, which is of 1200 by 1200 mm, and also same as column, dividing it into center from 600 by 600 mm from both sides. As the first, we are drawing all the center of columns and the marking of footings at each column. After that, checking the diagonal checks of our room from one center to the opposite center of column by drawing a line to the C1 to C3, and after that we have to check our. After that, as per plan, from the point C1 we are going to draw a line to the center of column C3, and we have get our line from the both diagonals of footing as our dimensions are correct. And so after that, checking the centers of other columns and the dimensions of our room by marking the diagonals in the plan. As per plan, we have drawn our markings on the ground